Hello, hello, how are you? Hello, hello, how are you? I am happy and you, I am happy and you. Are you happy? Are you happy? Are you ready? Are you ready? Sit on the map, sit on the map, clap your hands. Sit on the map, sit on the map, slap your knees. Sit on the map, sit on the map, tap your shoulders. Hello, hello, how are you? Hello, hello, how are you? I am happy and you, I am happy and you. If you are happy, clap your hands. Hello, hello, how are you? Let's take a walk around the farm. 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 What do you see? What do you see? A cow. What do you see? What do you see? A pig. What do you see? What do you see? A dog. What do you see? What do you see? A horse. What do you see? What do you see? Animals farm. Animals farm. Today we are going to talk about farm animals. Let's play and game and to learn which animals live on farm and how they help us. Is an elephant a farm animal? No, yes, exactly. Elephant are wild animals and that live in the jungle. Is a cow farm animals? Yes, cows are farm animals and we can use their milk and they give us milk, exactly. And I have another question. What do you think that is a lion a farm animal? No, lions are wild animals that lives on the jungle. Yes. Now let's sing a song about farm animals together with this finger puppet. Are you ready? Finger, sheep finger, where are you? Here I am, here I am. How do you do? Wiggle, 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 wiggle the finger family. La la la, la la la, la 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 la, ba. Pig finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Wiggle, 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 wiggle the finger family. La la la, la la la, la 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 la. Cough finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Wiggle, 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 wiggle the finger family. La la la, la la la, la 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 la. Mo. Horse finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Wiggle, 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 wiggle the finger family. La la la, la la la, la 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 la. Chicken, chicken finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Wiggle, 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 wiggle the finger family. La la la, la la la. We are happy family. We happy family. Happy farm family. Happy farm family. Happy farm family. Now it's time to read a book. Our book is called The Noisy Farm. And why do you think that it has the title? Maybe because of the noisy animals in the farm. Yeah, and look at the cover. What do you see? Excellent! Pig, chicken, cow, horse. Great! And now we read this book, and after that, I forgot to introduce this chicken. The name is Chico. We together to read the book. I put this here. Yeah. Are you ready? Let's get started. In a pocket of the earth between two hills, and a quiet farmer lives on his land, far from the bustle of town. And when in the morning the sun first appears, the rooster beginning to crow, and hearing the rooster's bugle call, and the quiet farmer opened his eyes. He stretched and gets out of the bed, and Squeak go to the bed spring, and Craig goes the floor. Look at this. What do you see? Cat. See, cat. The sound of this cat is meow, meow. The yellow cat begins to purr, 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 purr. The quiet farm knees. He picks her up and holds her close. And the farmer now there is the work to do. He dresses and goes outside. And as they walk down on the bar, and the pail bumps against his knee. Punk, punk, ping, punk, ping, punk, ping, punk. Moo, moo, the old Bessie says. The quiet farmer sits, and splash goes the milk. Look at this. Okay. Up to the top of the pot. The farmer fills a little bowl to give the yellow cat, and lip lap, lip lap, lip lap. The farmer rubs all the Bessie's neck. Next, the chickens must be fed. Chicken. Yeah, and the baby of the chicken. Puck, 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 puck. Chick, 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 chick. The quiet farmer gathers the eggs and put them in his basket. The chicken, yeah, give us the eggs. Yes. The horses in the stable snort. Yeah, look at this. Do you like the horse? Yes, the same me I like. They stamp their hooves to ask for grain. The tumple, tumple, and the quiet farmer feeds them all and put the food for the horse. Now that his friends have been fed, the quiet farmer feeds himself. The kitchen sing a breakfast song. Yes, look at this. Yeah, he wanted to eat the breakfast. Gurgle goes the coffee pot. The frying pan said zzz, zzz. Yeah, look at, for example, to crack the egg and make the egg zzz, because of the oil is excellent hot. The porridge eggs on top of the hob says bubble, bubble, dip, 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 dip. Yeah. With breakfast done, is back to work, and the quiet farmer goes to the field and sets the tractor roaring. The quiet farmer plugs, and then he stretches his sets. Snow swish, so swish. All through the day, the farmer works his horse. Stretch, he moves. Click, clack, click, clack. Yeah, he works in the farm. What do you see in this picture? Do you find the crow? Yes, this here. Exactly. At the dusk, the farmer feeds his pigs and squeak, quack, quack, quack. They squash in the barnyard mob. The quiet farmer mops his brow and says that his work is done. But then he says the fence needs mending. He takes his tools and nails the bricks in the place and repair the fence. When all his chores are finally done, the quiet farmer folds his hands and strolls to the farmhouse door. He stops for a moment and listens and looks. The farm is shut, yet little boy starts. The wind is whistling round the barn and the night is singing. The quiet farmer smiles and the lad speaks with word good night. He says good night to my roosters, good night my car, good night my cow, good night the stars, good night the wind, the fluffy, and good night. It's time to sleep now. And the quiet farmer goes upstairs and he puts on his nightshirt and gets ready for bed. Crack goes to the floor and the squeak go to the bed springs, and the farmer crawls under the cover and pulls them up his chin, and the moon shines through the window and casting a silver glow. Outside, the owl is calling. But the farmer does not answer, and his eyes are closed, his breath is deep, and the quiet farmer is fast asleep. Okay, we noticed that and about the noisy farm, because of the farm had a lot of noisy animals. Yes, which animals did we see on the farm? Excellent! Cow, pig, horse. Yes, and what other animals do you think that we could add to this farm? Great! Bee! Yes, great! Mouse, duck, yeah, donkey. Exactly. Today we learned that about the farm animals and learned the hey everyone, look what happened, ping pong, look what happened, ping pong. All the animals on the farm are dancing. On the farm are dancing. Five little animals dancing on the farm. Dancing on the farm, one step up, and show off her dance, Stomp, 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 stomp your feet, stomp your feet. They all had a great time. And Ping Pong said, more little animals dancing, more little animals dancing on the farm. Four little animals dancing on the farm, and show off his dance, Jump, jump, jump. Three little animals dancing on the farm. Three little animals dancing on the farm, and show off her dance, Spin, 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 spin. Two little animals dancing. Two little animals dancing on the farm. One step up and show off his dance, Shake, 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 shake. One little animals dancing. One little animals dancing. Turn, 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 turn. Yes! It's time to go home. It's time to say goodbye. It's time to say goodbye. Say goodbye, say goodbye. I had so much fun. I had so much fun. You had so much fun. You had so much fun. We all had so much fun. We all had so much fun. We say goodbye. We say goodbye. See you again. See you again. Say goodbye, teacher. Say goodbye, friends. See you. See you again.